Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 8 exponents p plus 1 plus 8 exponents p is equal to 36. So let's get started. The first thing we'll do is to apply this rule, which says a exponent x plus y is equal to a exponent x times a exponent y. So 8 exponents p plus 1 becomes 8 exponents p times 8 exponents 1. All plus 8 exponents p equals 36. Now we are going to factor out something. So when you have the expression ab minus a equals a times b minus 1, it means you can factor out the a, right? So in the same way, you can factor out 8 to the power p from that expression, since 8 exponent p is a common factor in both terms. So we factor 8 exponent p out, and we get 8 exponent p times 8 to the power of 1 plus 1 is equal to 36. Now we simplify what's in the brackets, and we get 8 exponent p times 9 equals 36. So the next thing to do is we are going to divide through by 9. Get 8 exponent p is equal to 4. Now we have to make the bases the same. So I can make 8 have a base of 2 and make 4 also have a base of 2. So 8 is 2 exponent 3, 4 is 2 exponent 2. So let's do that. We have 2 exponent 3, all exponent p is equal to 2 exponent 2. Now the next thing is to apply this rule, which says 8 exponent x, all of that exponent y is equal to a exponent x times y. So we have 2 exponent 3 times p equals 2 exponent 2. So now the bases are the same, I can just equate the exponents. So I have 3p is equal to 2, and from here divide through by 3, get p equals 2 over 3, or 0.6666 repeated. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.